IRS Form 1099 MISC reports miscellaneous information. Businesses use it to report payments to non-employees and others that do not fit the more specific 1099 forms. Common uses include reporting rent paid to a landlord, royalties, prizes and awards, medical and healthcare payments, and crop insurance proceeds. Beginning in 2020, non-employee compensation moved to Form 1099 NEC. So 1099 MISC no longer covers Box 7 compensation. The payer section identifies the business or individual making the payments. The payer's legal name, street address, city, state, zip, and taxpayer identification number appear in the upper section. The recipient's information, including name, address, and TIN, appears in the next block. The account number field is optional and is used when the payer needs to distinguish among multiple accounts for the same recipient. Each numbered box on Form 1099 MISC corresponds to a specific type of payment. Box 1 is rents received for real property or personal property. Box 2 is royalties from oil, gas, mineral properties, copyrights, and patents. Box 3 is other income that does not fit elsewhere. Box 6 is medical and healthcare payments. Box 8 is substitute dividends. Box 10 is gross proceeds paid to an attorney. Federal tax withheld from any of these amounts is reported in Box 4. Recipients report the amounts from each box on the appropriate line of their tax return. Rent in Box 1 typically goes on Schedule E. Royalties in Box 2 also appear on Schedule E or Schedule C, depending on the circumstances. Other income in Box 3 generally goes on Schedule 1 as other income. Keep all 1099 MISC forms and any related income records for at least 7 years. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.